guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena.MayyBeauty if you didn't know already. So in today's video I'll be showing you the contents of May and June's Birchbox, which I recently got. So I'll be showing you that. So I'm going to get straight into it, and first up I'm going to show you the May Birchbox. So the May Birchbox comes like this in this little box here. So this is my May Birchbox, and this is my first ever Birchbox. So when I did receive it, I thought the box was slightly too small, but the contents inside, it actually makes up for it. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the May Birchbox, and as you can see the design was really nice that month. So this one's like a little drawer as well, which is really good and handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's inside here. First up, you get this Birchbox card right here, and it just tells you a little bit of information of when you get the Birchbox, what you can do. Like you could refer a friend, and it has like their Instagram and Facebook details at the back as well. So the first product is a natural body wash, which is a sample size, and it literally smells so gorgeous. I smelled it when I got it. It was like so nice. So yeah, you can buy the bigger, like the full size one for this, and it's a plant based using organic soap berries, so that is a good sample. I'm glad I actually got this from a sample because it does smell absolutely amazing. So this is an activated charcoal deodorant balm. So just to rub it in, and you can like put it wherever or anything, and it's literally, it smells amazing. So that's obviously the sample size as well, and it's kind of gritty, like it goes like powdery after a bit, like when you rub it in. So it says how to use, rub a pea-sized amount between fingers and apply. So yeah, that's a sample size of 15 grams. The next product is a New Age Power Serum. It says to apply morning and night or alone, and you can wear it under makeup, so that is good. I haven't yet tried this yet, so we'll see how that goes when I do try it. Last but not least in this Birchbox for May is this Eco London eyeliner. So this is the full size, and I have used this, but to be honest, this isn't as what I expected. It is not that good. As you are using it, it does kind of run out. It's not as pigmented as I would like. So I do have my other eyeliners that I do use. I tried this like twice to give it a go, but yeah, I literally, after I use this, after I do my wing liner, I have to go over the top with it of my other eyeliner, which obviously you don't want to do. Obviously you don't want to do and waste time like that. So to be honest, I won't be getting this. So I'm glad I did receive this in the Birchbox, because now I know not to get it. So that is all for the May Birchbox. So we're going to go on to the June Birchbox. June Birchbox, they done a little special thing, so you get a little tin instead of a box. So this is June's Birchbox. So it comes in a little tin, as you can tell. And obviously the design is really nice. See, the design's really nice. I think they've done this tin because it's their anniversary or something. But yeah, it's really good. And so yeah, let's get inside. Inside is all the little goodies you get. So the first one is, so this is Sun Protection 30, and it is 20 ml. So obviously this is a sample size. You can buy it like a massive size. So that is good to have, and it's handy to have as well, so you can carry that about with you. The next one is the Professional Primer. So this is the Benefit Primer that you get. It's the Pearl Primer. So it's little tiny like that. So I think this is good to get in like the Birchbox sample kit thing, because then you can try it out before you buy the actual full size one, literally. So I'm glad I got that, so I can try that out. This is the Ella Eden London eyeshadow. So, and I only got one of these. So this is the full size one. Pale Pink. And it's quite shimmery as well. As you can see, I have swatched it. So you get one of these in the Birchbox June box. And then I've got here Lord & Berry Strobing Pencil, which is really good. I tested it out on my hand, like I've swatched it on my hand. It is so amazing, literally so pigmented. Very impressed with this, and I will be using this when I do a look. And then we've got here Smoothing Balm, and it's for hair. So this is a hair care smoothing balm product, and it basically tames and smooths frizzy hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. So after you wash your hair and your hair's a little damp, you put this in and then you blow dry it in, and it's nice, and it smells amazing. It smells amazing. And then last but not least, I have got this right here. I've never heard of this brand before. So this is the Chelsea tea. So I've got 3 individually wrapped tea bags. And it comes in a little box like this. See, on the front of the box it says, "It's time for tea. Celebrate Birchbox's 5th birthday with 3 different tea blends." And then it says Birchbox. So you get 3 tea bags. I have not even opened this yet, so let's see what they actually look like. So I actually get 20% off if I buy from their website as well. So that was in there. I don't know if there's a time limit, but no. But lemon and ginger. And then you got some Earl Grey here. Yeah, you have the mango right here. So you do get 3 teas. So obviously I'm going to tell you guys which one I prefer, the May or the June box. So I have to say, out of the 2 boxes that I have received, so May and June, I have to say I do prefer the June box totally. There's literally so much more in here and more practical things as well. My May box is okay, but obviously I didn't like one product that was in there, but the rest is okay, but really small sizes and stuff. And then this one here, because I do love my tea as well, so I'm glad I've got that. So I do like the June box, and I like the strobing pencil that I do have in here. And obviously I like the Benefit primer that I got, because obviously it was free. Who wouldn't want a free Benefit product? So even though it's sample, that's still something. So I'm glad I got these 2. That is all for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, or somewhat. If you have any questions about my June or May Birchbox, leave a comment below, or you can tell me which box you preferred down below. I leave all the details down below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.